Welcome to my class, Graphite for Beginners. My name's Imran, I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and this class is for anybody who wants to learn the basics of graphite, whether you're a complete beginner or whether you're somebody who wants a quick little refresher course if it's been a while and you've not done any work in graphite. In this class we will be looking at the different types of graphite that you can get in the art stores and the different formats that graphite is available in. We will also be looking into the details of the H numbers, the B numbers, the different grading numbers of graphite that you have at the end of your pencils. We will explore different surfaces that we can use graphite on to produce different effects and textures. And then we will also be looking at some of the important tools that you need to really enhance your experience of using graphite. We will then delve into some exercise work where we will be looking at how to blend using different blending tools, how to create blending variances really easily, how to create deep contrast in your artwork, how to also add highlights and add textures to your overall illustrations. On completing these exercises in the lessons of this class, you will be able to explore and experiment and implement all of those techniques and tools that we've discussed in your very own class project of a beautiful illustration. So what are you waiting for? Grab yourself a nice drink, get yourself a nice treat, sit back, relax, and let's get started with this class.